Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Honda Odyssey key fob here. It works for these models 2021 and 2024 and you don't need any fancy tools. You only need this battery 2032 and you can find this battery in the description and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this to the back, and right after that, here you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button to this side, and when you slide it this way, you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. And now when you remove the mechanical key, turn the fob like this to see the button, and right after that, here in this hole between these two pieces, you need to insert the tip of the mechanical key right here in this hole. And now when you do that, now just rotate it to the side, twist it a little bit. And when you do that, this will crack open, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. And when you separate it in two pieces, make sure this side here with the buttons is facing down to the table, because you can lose the buttons very easily, so make sure you do that. And now when you separate into two pieces, right after that here, you see your old dead battery. And now to remove the battery, again it's very easy, just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it here, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this. And also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, now just take these two pieces again and make sure you align them perfectly, all corners to match perfectly, and now just snap them together just like this here. And when you do that, take this mechanical key now and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.